This is the orbital sander from IBELL with 6-month warranty, and approximate weight is 2 kg. Net weight is 1.8 kg. It is 300 watt and RPM you can see here 4000 to 12,000 RPM. 125 mm disc size. Let's try to unbox this. So you have the dust collector. You get one extra sanding paper. This is the actual unit. You can see you can attach this like this. This is the handle. You can grab the handle, run it. This is the speed. You can set it to minimum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and max. This is the place where you put the dust collector. Two-pin cord. You get the manual and the warranty card. Nothing else. So the performance is not pretty good if you compare it with the other products from Bosch or from Makita. But then this is very cheap, I guess somewhere around 2.5k in Indian currency. I did not like this product. It did not buff the wooden area properly. It takes a lot of time to clear the layer from the wood, so I'm going to return this. Let me try to show you how it works and how it sounds. So this is the switch to lock. This is at minimum and you can hear the sound. And this is at max. That's all. If you want to buy this product, I can leave the link in the description. You can buy it from there. Thank you, and please do not subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Bye.